You want to start by disconnecting the battery. Use an 8mm wrench and disconnect the negative terminal. Loosen up that nut. This vehicle, the battery is not in it at this time, but start there. Take the key, slide it into the ignition, and you want to turn it into the run position. So like you're going to start it and then let it off. You can take a driver, something that's skinny. This is a T15. It doesn't have to be exactly this. And there's a hole right under this panel, and you got to feel around a little bit and get the right angle. When you get the right angle, you should be able to push on that pin and it'll slide right out. It's basically going to push up on that pin right there. If you're struggling to find where that pin is, you can take this cover off. There's 3 Phillips head screws. Take those off. And then over here where the tilt is, loosen up this lever right here just by twisting it off. And then that panel can come right down. And then you'll be able to see a little bit easier where you're supposed to put this. Now, before you twist the old one, just take the new one and just take a look and make sure it's all lined up the same way. This centerpiece, that looks good. You should be able to take this and slide it in and check, make sure it looks good. Then hook up your negative terminal for your battery, tighten it down with your 8mm wrench. Once it's snug, just make sure you give it a wiggle and make sure it's nice and tight.